Show me what you got, Maya. Show me what you got. Come on. Come on. Ow! Yo! What up, everybody? You know it's Matty Ice. Today, we got for you a nice little unboxing, a haul. We got a haul for you today from Livestock. Nice Canadian retailer. They got lots of product, lots of sales. So you know I copped some of their sales. I think I did a haul from there before, so you can go check that out. I got like a blanket from there. I got a few items, a few para pieces from there, so you can go check that out. Quick little story before I open up what I got today, the little haul. There was a few more pieces I wanted for this haul, but I didn't have enough money at the time, and my sezzle was at max spending, so I couldn't do any sezzling. But I wanted this beautiful para sweatshirt. I've been really into the para lately, like really good quality, cool designs, like sick company. But there's a sick para sweater with this giant, like one of the most beautiful embroideries I've seen. Like, I loved it. Probably one of the sickest sweaters in like this cream colorway, red and blue, all my favorite colors for a sweater in general. The embroidery was like perfect. It was so nice, but it sold out and it was like more than half off. It was like 60 off. It was like such a good deal for that kind of shit, that quality, and that embroidery. And then there was a beautiful 100% hemp tote bag, probably the nicest tote bag I've ever seen. It even had like a little hemp logo, like music design going on it. Like, it was so sick. It would have been like perfect for me. I loved it. I already have enough totes, but like, I don't have a hemp tote. It's probably the nicest, most simple tote I've seen. Like, there's nicer, like fancier, like crazy totes that I've been seeing on like Sense and all that shit. Like some Bape totes, some like, they're all kind of like high quality, like some crazy totes. But this one was just like the one I liked the most. But unfortunately, it sold out, and I didn't have enough to, like, right before, like, there was one in stock, but you know the story. It's you can't buy everything, can't have everything. I want everything, but you can't have everything. Maya's like, it's hot as hell in here, man. And I know, Maya, it's hot. We'll turn the fan on after I do the video. I don't want to mess up the audio. Sorry, bro. First item. This one, I already know what it is. Shipped it separately. It must have been from somewhere else. Must be more like, it's probably more one of their, maybe it's a European piece. I don't know. I thought it was going to be thicker. That's my first impression on this. But it's a nice little like keychain lanyard thing with a sick carabiner clip on it. You can use a wrench or a bottle opener. I thought that was gonna be like thicker too, but I really like this like Manastash company. I got a hemp hat from them before, which is really nice. And yeah, I was like, I need some new keychain action going on. Even this isn't as much of a keychain. It's more like, I don't know, but I still really like it. So I'll show you the details if I can get this open. Do I need scissors? No way. Come on. So yeah, it says on here, Manastash Key Tool 1.0 black, $32 retail. Very sick. I wonder what other colors they made in this. Unless this was like the only one. Since it's the 1.0, it was probably like more of like a test design. But I thought it looked like one of the better quality lanyards. It's very thin though, that's the only thing I'll say about it, but that's nice just to like put in my pocket. So this might be my new summer lanyard, honestly, because my Nike one's so thick and it's so annoying to shove in my pocket. This one's so thin. I can just attach a few keys to this. I'm also wondering, like, how do I actually attach the keys onto this thing? Must be from like, maybe this is a Japanese company. I don't know what kind of writing, or Chinese. I don't know what writing that is. Nice little good quality logo, like a little matte textured logo, wrench, carabiner, blah blah blah. Has a little mini, I love this like mini clip. It was also on, oh yeah, my Stone Island gloves, there was a miniature clip too. It's cute, mini versions of the clips. These clips are normally big. But then you can see there's like extra loops to clip things onto throughout. And then that Manastash mountain design throughout in black and gray. Very nice stitching and embroidery, I love it. I love it. It's sick. I love embroidery. So this is fire, and it's very simple. I thought it'd be bigger, but more portable, more easy. we'll have to test it out and see how it works. So that's the first item. Now for some actual clothing. Also, as I say in all my videos, I always try and put a timestamp in the description for the preview and try on at the end of the video. You can skip my talking if you want and go straight to that. In the description, I do detailed close-up of all the products and all the details, so you can go check that out if you're interested in seeing all about the products and the close-ups, and say you missed something because I didn't show it in this part because it's a bad angle. Like, I can't really show everything. I really will get you in the end, so go check that out with the macro lens. It's been hard to shoot with the macro lens because Apple is still broken, but so I have to shoot in like I can only shoot like 30-second clips at a time with the macro lens, and then it freezes because Apple still has not fixed the update. Okay, first item, I really want to try these hemp socks because I'm looking to make my own hemp company. One size fits 25 to 27. What does that mean? Age? I don't know what those numbers are. Maybe that's Japanese sizing. Really nice. A Hope Hemp. Piece to piece. It's actually really sick because this is basically like the idea that I want to do for my company. Like, they pretty much did like exactly what I was gonna do for my first sock, unfortunately. Oh well, I can always do it better. Made in Japan, so you know it's that good quality. And they didn't use as much like hemp in it, so you know I could always try and use more hemp. Like, they probably tried to make it more soft because that's what you feel. It's very soft, but you know I want a quality. So the quality means more hemp. Maybe like, I don't know. There's these 100% hemp socks on Amazon I was trying to try, but they're so expensive and like hard to get. So I'll look into those too to test them out. I gotta test out all the products to make my own and make them better. And like even the logo on this like nice green printed logo with a weed leaf or a cannabis hemp leaf and a Hope Hemp. StayColdCompany.com. They literally like that's the kind of name I would come up with too, like from Matty Ice. But the I Hope Hemp, that's even like kind of what the similar to what the name I was thinking. And I want to do like an embroidery of like a hemp plant going down the whole thing or like the whole bottom, so you know like how worn it's getting. So they pretty much did the exact same thing that I was gonna do. Only a print on one sock, as you can see. But like, also this colorway was very similar to what I was thinking. But like, damn, this stitching is so nice. Like, I really love the Japanese socks. Like, I got some socks made from Japan from Beams Plus. And they're like, the stitching there is just so amazing. They make like the best quality stitched socks, just like knitted. It's so nice. Love this like light blue and white colorway. So yeah, I was saying a Hope Hemp, a Hope sock, light blue, one size, $28 retail. It's pretty expensive, like really expensive, honestly. But like, hemp is always gonna be more expensive because it's like pretty niche right now, even though it should be like the whole market should be saturated in hemp. But 70% cotton, 25% hemp, 0.5% acrylic, interesting. Nylon, polytheron, machine wash warm, do not bleach, dry low, made in Japan. Stay Gold Company. Oh, I'm gonna steal that, make it Stay Cold Company. Yeah, so I guess they're based in like Japan, the company. Not too sure, but it's really sick, and I'm glad they use like more environmentally friendly packaging. So I'll try those on for you. You check that out at the end of the video to see the preview as well. And then the last item, I thought this was a really good deal, and I just love getting like really good quality blankets, and I actually like just love the design of this one and the colors. So I got this throw. It says color yellow, but it's like multicolor. Higher power throw. Even dope because that's like one of Talking Terps' catalogs. No, their themes is like higher power. So it kind of goes with that. And it's the company Honor the Gift. I've seen lots of good products from them, called Butterfly Throw, and it was retail $135, and I think I got it for like over half off. It was only like $50, so that's really sick. It's pre-washed, it says, so that's really nice. I don't have to wash it for a long time. Made in USA, 100% cotton. Woo! Where is there an opening, or is it locked, sealed? Yeah, there's an opening at the top. Nicely folded away in here. You can already see like the beautiful stitching on this thing throughout. Like, I can't wait to get the flashlight out and do close-up on this. Like, look at that multicolored fray. Like, that set me on it. Like, I was like, I need those colors. And then you open it up, and like the design is also just like so beautiful. It's so abstract and beautiful. This side has like some suns on it, and suns and a butterfly. Yeah. And it says like honor the gift for the inner city. So it just like got some branding throughout. And then the inside, it's got more designs. It's got like a reversed flip, like a more abstract version on the inside with all that coloring. But then on the outside, you see like it's more like printed out. Like that's what I like about it. It's like printed on like both sides, so you can like make it out on both sides. Like you can see like the butterflies on this side and like the little bit of coloring, but then underneath, it's like that. Usually it's just like plain underneath, but then this one it like kind of blends and like all the colors become this abstract design. I think this blanket's so sick. This cotton feels so nice. Smells nice and fresh too. Smells like good quality cotton, you know, like that good quality, like not some like fake stuff. I just love that natural nice smell. It's such a beautiful blanket. I am set for the winter. I think I have that wool one that's really expensive. That's gonna be like my main warm one. Then this is gonna be like my secondary kind of like throw, more for like decor. And then I got the Beams one. That's like my all season light blanket. I'm gonna be testing that out. It might be warm. I don't even know. I haven't tried it yet. And yeah. So yeah, I wish I could have got the sweater and that bag, but I saw the blanket and I was like, blanket bag. Definitely was the blanket. You know, can't have everything. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed. And check out how sick this shirt is. It's such a sick outfit. It's got a little chick on the back. Alright, peace out everybody. Subscribe. My ass, tell them to subscribe.